Okay, are we live? Yup, we are live. Okay, I shall share it on Twitter. Okay, hello, good morning, everyone. Yeah, today is Seek and Destroy, and hope the audio is clear and everything. I'm looking at CL. I am definitely looking at CL. I don't want to trade the indices today. So I'm in for CL
Order filled.
actually. I'm just going to target this. I entered and this was my entry in the fair value gap and I'm targeting these lows. 50 ticks. That's it. And I'll keep the stops over here. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at regarding CL. Why CL? I would say previous days we and this is set to be PDH and this is set to be the sell side and this is a low resistance liquidity run. This is set to be 1 minute. This is set to be low resistance liquidity run, usually here. So this is what I'm seeing over here. I don't want anything to do with indices or anything here. Here we can target, we can take partials along the way. But let's see how ES is doing. We have the NVOG and the what you can say previous days and dogs and everything. From the daily chart, what I can see is that this is really consolidating. Tomorrow FOMC. After FOMC, if you wanna see something like a move, okay, then I'm ready for it. Usually I don't want this. Yeah, I don't want this. Usually I see this as a good reaction point. Let's see how it closes today. If it closes below, good. But I don't think this high would be taken. This high would stay. This is not. This is said to be strong high, or we can say it as ITC says intermediate term high, and this is said to be a long-term high. This is said to be a long-term high. So I see this over here in ES as a low resistance liquidity run. I really see it moving down to this consequent encroachment. Other than that, no, I don't see anything regarding this. NQ. NQ is pretty shit, that I could say. NQ is not doing good. NQ is not doing good, and I wouldn't take entries on this today. Today it will consolidate. The next point or draw is this, is the volume imbalance on the daily. Okay, so that is what I see. Other than that, I don't see any kind of things over here. And let me share this. Uh, yeah, so for NQ, I have this, and let's see, buy side liquidity over here. I mean, sell side liquidity over here. Last day's low has been taken, previous day's low has been taken. If we go into the 3 minutes, mostly it will take it. Monday lows, yep, Monday and Sunday lows has been taken. Next is the Friday lows. I'm looking at Friday lows to be taken next. I believe. Why do I say? Okay, you all ask me this. Why you consider this as seek and destroy? Or do I don't want to trade this? If you really want to ask me. Okay, so we have sessions. Okay, the session starts from over here. So it closed here, it opened here, and usually the Asian session starts over here. So we shall have this over here, and this from 8 p.m. New York time till what we can say 12. Okay, we'll keep it over here. This is said to be the high and the low of the Asian session. We call this as, what we can say it as, Asian session. Okay, so top center. Okay, this is the Asian session. Then we move to the London session. If you take the London session, it's from 2, 3, and what I see is, usually when I see this, it has taken both. In the London, we can see over here, and we can see pull it over here, and before the 9:30 open, we can see till 7. Okay, 7 is a good criteria because 7:30 becomes a true day open. So I'll color this different for you. This is said to be the London session. Okay, you have this London session. what we can see over here, this low has been swept before 8:30. This high has been swept at 4:30. So you have the highs taken and the lows taken from the Asian range. This is said to be the Asian range. So when the Asian range is taken, the high is taken, the low is taken, and what we see here is London has moved significantly, and then you start to go into New York, which is over here. The move is made. The move is actually made. So when the move is actually made, what it does, as ICT says, what are the things that consolidation happens, then we have manipulation, and we have distribution. So these are the three cycles. Okay. So consolidation happen over here. We have the manipulation and the distribution as well before 9:30 open. So with this, next form is consolidation. We go into consolidation. That is why I say this is a seek and destroy day. One moment. Sorry for the interruption. I got a call. So if this happens, you consider this to be a seek and destroy day. Mostly, if you have the Asian range and the London session taking these two, high and the low, either you need to take the high or the low. You should not take both. That is my theory regarding it. You can take the low over here. These lows, or do I say, where's the brush? Yeah, these lows can be taken, no problem. I don't want to take the maximum low. Okay, ICT would say that if you take the low and then move up, okay, I get that. You can do trading with that, and everything is fine. That is for the London session kill zone, and it displaces. But if you're on indices, mostly, I don't want the Asian session to be taken both sides like this, and then have a displacement like this before 9:30 open. I don't want that to happen. Usually I don't want that to happen. If you look at the previous day, yesterday was good, pretty good, but you can see if there is a nice range over here. Okay, we have this. So we do have it over here. So let's see, 20. We'll take this on Monday, Thursday 20. It's high and it's a consolidation or range over here. We'll take this till 1. Okay, this is the Asian range, and we go into London. What happens? London takes the low and then moves upward, takes the high, then it displaces really down. That's it. That's the move. Done. This is what we are expecting. We are having moves on London pretty good recently. I'll show you a good example over here. A nice day. Let me go into the 5 minute. Yeah, this is pretty shit. That is not good. So, okay. Mm, yeah, I would consider this as a good range. So, for this, we can take this as the Asian. Yeah, usually CBDR, it's said to be Asian range, and we have the range. We did not take the low. We took the low at 8:30 news driven moment. At that time New York kill zone opens. If you see London, usually London, if you go over here to one, London is this from 2 o'clock. Yeah, 2 o'clock. We have the high till 4. Yeah, you can see over here London did not take the high or even the low. 8:30 a.m. CPI or PPI. The news came in on 12th. It moved upwards and it went down into the higher time frame PDRA. Then you had a great range day, a good range day. This is what we are looking for. So if you go into this and really thinking about passing a prop firm or something like that, you you should look at these. I definitely look at this before 7 or 8. If it takes the low, I'm not interested in this. I'm really not interested in this price action. And CL is going to the fair value gap. You can see it over here. This is also a low resistance liquidity. It would really run it. It's not it's not a question. Usually CS will respect theories of supply and demand. For supply and demand, this would be the thing. It usually respects theories of supply and demand, high to the lows, then to the high. It's like that. CL. CL is like Forex. Okay. You don't need to worry more like fair value gaps and everything. You just need to find the topmost points where the pivot has happened, looking for a market structure shift and everything, and then it'll reverse. You need to know where the liquidity lies. That's all you need to know. So let's see on the 5 minute chart. What are you seeing? Chop. It's 10 a.m. until 12. Until 12 on the chart. 12 noon. Okay. Until 12 noon on the chart. Okay. Until 12 noon, I will not see anything. I will not be trading today. After 12 noon, if you go into the PM session, tomorrow is FOMC. So it's pre-FOMC scenario. Today is set to be pre-FOMC scenario. So what does that tell you? trade. No trades for me. So here, if it had not been a seek and destroy day, I would entertain. Otherwise, I would not entertain this. I would not take any form of trades on the ES, NQ, or even YM. I'm not taking it. There are many days we can take the trade, but I don't see nothing happening. If you see over here, engineered liquidity on the ES and engineered liquidity on the NQ and divergences, bullish divergence on ES, but till now I only see consolidation. This is my one rule that I learned in the hard way. So I'm advising you not to trade today. Wait till FOMC gets it and then you can do your thing. You shall look at CL now. If this hits stop loss, that's it. I'm done for the day. There's nothing to trade today. If you see gold drop, it's a big drop. If gold drops, even this drops. So guys, I will keep you posted on this usually. And if you wanna try prop firms, I usually trade on Top Step and my funded futures, and I don't have an affiliate link with them. I'm not a partner. I just recommend to people. You can try them. They are the ones I think who are really good. So I will say use them to your advantage. I especially like the my funded futures expert and static plans. I usually like my funded futures expert and static plan. So you can go for it. I'm not promoting them, they are good to me. So I'm saying, yeah, you can go ahead and do it. That's what I will say. So today, no trading. You can follow me on Twitter regarding what really happens to this. And this is a short stream. Oh, it's going up. That I don't like. That I really do not like. Let's see if this holds. Let's see if this holds. If it holds, it should go for the target. It's respecting the consequent encroachment. And if you really look at the supply demand area, this is it, the final. It might tap this and go down. Usually that is the scenario with what we can say CL as always. And this is my poly tool and the paths tool and polyline, yeah, and the curve. Usually you tap here and come here and then come here. It'll again reach over there and then boom, dump. This is what will happen. Let's see with the other structure. Yeah, Q2, Q3, Q4. Yeah, this is what I expect it to happen. So let us see how it goes. Now I need to see a push down. Want me to look at? Yes. Garbage. Garbage price action. It will run this. But this is the manipulation leg.
Stop filled.
And yeah, stop got filled on. See ya. I got no more on this day. Shitty day. And everything. We need to wait for another cycle if you want to. But I'm done. Still mostly got run, but I don't want to trade today and use my capital. So that's it. I'm taking the day off. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. One trade, one loss. Not gonna trade more. Bye bye.